Hi guys, welcome back to the LiteFinance Global YouTube channel. It's my pleasure to be with you again. Today it's time for crypto market update. So, are we going to go higher? Are we going to go lower? Well, the question is 50-50. The thing, in my opinion, buy the rumor, sell the facts, it might work this time. Let's find out for how long. Without further ado, let's jump straight into the video. Okay, let's start with the Bitcoin. Well, what we have here on the weekly chart is the thing where we have a problem around 32. That's what I've been talking about for a while. We were discussing this thing. Even with the BlackRock ETF news, we were not able to go through. And unfortunately, as long as we are staying below, that could be the big problem. So the latest longs, and that's where I'm so afraid, the latest longs, they may be so scary, because if you bought here, right, you are in a loss right now. So short-term traders may start to exit the long positions. The positive thing here is the bottom of this big candle, right? That's in my opinion, that's really important here. And well, I would be very cautious. Why? Because as of now we are trading in between 32 and 26, and in that case, if you are a range trader, then you are trading your range, right? But once we are going to see the break to the upside or break to the downside, well, it's going to be big, really big. Why? Because we have more than $6,000, so we might quickly reach 40 or quickly reach 20. If you want to know my preferable scenario, of course I'm going to go to the upside. I want to see 40, and in that case it could be this zone over here, and it's perfectly fine for me, because if we are going to double that range, that's where we are going to go. So let's switch to the daily chart quickly, and here we go. Well, still trying to fight with this broken range, and as of now, well, we are unfortunately going a little bit lower. Now, in that case, I think that there might be some kind of the catch, right? Because this one was quite wide. If we are going to get the 50% and we are going to double the move down, then levels close to 28, that might be very strong support, and that's what I'm looking for. So as of now, being very positive and looking for higher levels, but we need some more positive informations. Let's have a look what we have when it comes to the Ethereum, and we are going to go through the weekly chart as well here. Give me a second, there we go. And I'm very scary here. Why? Because for last, well, I would say 20 weeks, right, we are trying to consolidate just shy above very important levels. So 2K 1800 is crucial, right? If we are going to go higher than 50% of that range, could be the name of the game. We are talking about some levels around 3000, and that's fine, right? But the distance above the previous resistance is a little bit too low. I would like to see the higher consolidation. Anyway, if we are going to get more positive news, then of course, the higher you go, yes, you can go even higher. Now, what I'm looking for the low of the zone as the positive level and as some kind of this demand. We are talking about the 1800 and 2200, that's supply. Let's have a look what we have when it comes to the daily chart on Ethereum, and to be honest with you, well, it looks better than Bitcoin as of now. So what we are fighting with, this range. We've been here quite a few times. Are we going to hold this support? Well, yeah, hopefully. In that case, we have to hold right here, right now. I would be bullish, I would be long, and I would scale in with the levels a little bit below. Why? Because this level is untested support, and in that case we are talking about the levels shy below 1800. So scaling in, being long, and trying to cut below 1720, that's the name of the game. And finally, the biggest winner is the Ripple. And let's have a look what we have when it comes to the weekly chart here. Well, we're trying, but we couldn't. And well, that's what I've been talking about the Bitcoin. The same here. I'm so afraid that we might see the pullback. Now, if we are talking about the pullback, well, the obvious is this zone of the consolidation. And well, 55, 50, what you think, guys? Please like, subscribe, leave the comments below, and well, see you again. Wish you a great next trading session, of course, to the upside. Take care, goodbye, guys.